Virginia Fire Alarm Contractor exam preparation has been our specialty since 1972. School enrollment has 3 parts. First, you can use our computer software at the convenience of your home. Second, you can attend our in-person weekend seminars or online webinars. Third, you will get one-on-one tutoring when you need it. Our program uses real state exam questions, answers, code references and calculations. It prepares you for the actual PSI state licensing exam. Most of our students pass their exams in 4 to 6 weeks. Our program consists of a 3-month enrollment, and during those 3 months, it allows for unlimited home study with the computer software, all seminars, and tutoring. Choose this program if you are serious about passing your state exam with PSI. Go into the test prepared with the best home study computer program in Virginia.